can see the amount of glare without the jet shades installed, and if you can imagine the summertime, how much heat that would produce in the cockpit. Alright, so I'm going to be installing the jet shades. First one I'll do is a side window, and you're going to see how much glare it cuts down. Very easy to install right behind the EFB. We have a permanent mount, and that's there. The other one we'll install is the one for the back window. Just slides in place, and that cuts all the glare, and if you can imagine in the summertime, the heat. And then this is one for the front window. This one we'll install again once we get airborne. But you can see how the glare is cut down considerably. It's much cooler, even though we're sitting here in February. It's still much cooler with the sunshine. Thank you. All right, so I'm taking these down. You can see the difference.